Hello, my name is Chad Martin, and I'm currently applying for the Adjunct Assistant Professor position for Computer Science and Information Systems. For a bit of background on myself, I've been an employee here at Johnson County Community College for over 21 years now. Approximately 20 of those years have been in information services, and I also worked with institutional planning and research as a web developer for a project that they were working on at the time. Prior to that, I've worked as a software engineer at Sprint here in Kansas City, and prior to that, as a programmer at Ozarks Technical Community College in Springfield, Missouri. One of my passions has always been learning, and primarily learning, of course, about technology, but even more specifically, learning and working with web-based technologies. So for me personally, taking an idea from its very inception and then through the phases of the development life cycle, and in the end, having something tangible, usable, and beneficial, it's so enjoyable. Breaking down each phase into consumable parts and vetting them out fully and thoughtfully is such a fulfilling challenge. Having done this, along with leveraging the proper tools along the way for a few decades now, it feels only natural to pursue an avenue that would allow me to share what I've been very fortunate enough to absorb through my career up to this point. I've always felt that working with students and helping them on their path through higher education would be something that I would desire to do once I felt more comfortable in doing so. For those of you who have had the privilege to teach, you realize what an important role an instructor can play in the lives of the students. Whenever I'm working through a challenge with my own children, there's nothing quite like seeing that light bulb glow in their eyes when they finally grasp a tough concept. It's just so very rewarding. Moments such as those have also helped steer me into pursuing this path to teach. I sincerely hope that you'll consider me for this position, and I feel confident that I would be able to fill this need for Johnson County Community College. Thank you so much for your time and consideration.